Okay, good morning guys, hope you guys are fine. Okay, cool. So this is for you, for UK49 both draws, lunch and tea time. Today I'm going to do it that way, and you can play these numbers on Betway, you can play these numbers on the original UK. This is one of my friends who made it yesterday on the original draw of UK49. It was amazing. Okay, cool. So let us do this before. This ticket was for that lady. Okay, so let us. You see, guys, what I wanted to say to you, I recommend you guys to get the books. It's very important. This thing of that every day you have to wait for someone to help you with numbers, it's actually unacceptable. You guys have to know how to crack these numbers by now. So you get the book, you learn, you study, you practice slowly but sure. Okay, so this is what we're going to do today. Our first code is 477. Okay, from there we say 47, we say 7, and then we add 47 plus 7. That should be a 54. 54 is a 45 in UK49, so we make it a 45. 7 minus 47 is a 40. That's how it goes. Are we clear there? Then when we add up everything, we're going to say 7 plus 4 plus 7. That should be an 18. I don't know how this 18 is coming about now. Okay, let's just put it like that for now. Okay, let us move again. We have got 40, 15. This code, if you check it, it's got a 15. It's got a 5. It's got a 41, which is a 14 as well. 14 years. And then there's a 40. Yes, there's a 40 on that code. There's a 45 again, the one that I just spoke about. And then there is a, let me see, I just want to make sure that all the numbers are covered. There's a 10. There's a 10. Can you see that? Yeah, so you can just do whatever you do from that code. You get what you get, then you leave what you don't. Okay, let us go to the second code, 1200. This one, you spin first, you say 2100. In some cases, what they normally do in a code like this, as you can see, there's a 12, there's a 21, there's a 20. And then the other way around, they're going to say 1 plus 2. It gives them a 3, which can appear as a 30. So that's how sometimes a 30 comes from a number like that. You see, these codes are so clear and simple. You don't have to struggle adding up or doing a lot of things. No. Okay, let us move to the last code. The last code is 4280. 4280 means there is a 48, 28, there's a 20, then there is missing a 40 again. It is appearing now. I don't know if I skipped something. And then in a code like that, you can always say 4 plus 28, it would give you 32. 4 minus 20 this, it will give you a 24 or 42. 24 or 42. And then if you say 42 plus 8, it gives you a what? It gives you a 50, which is a 5, but the 5 dropped last night. So these guys, they do repeat. Remember, this is for Betway and original UK49. If you say 8 minus 42, it gives me 34, 43, my favorite number. Okay, cool. So as you can see, I did put the bonuses for you. These bonuses are for lunch and tea time, both draws, Betway and original draw. That's how we work now, guys. We know it's going to be working like before. Okay, so these are the numbers that we have. Let me just do a recap of the numbers that we have so that you guys can understand. Okay, so first things of all, let's start from here. 47, 7, 40, and then we go to 15, we go to 10, we go to 5, we go to 45, we go to 1221, we go to 10, and then we go to 42, 24, we go to 28, 48, then we go to 34, 43. And then what else do we have? 22, 220, 220, something like that. Let me see. No, but it's fine. I'm not gonna worry about that for now. And then yeah, I guess. Oh, did I include the 14 and 41? Yeah, this is what we have for today. Both draws. Okay, cool. Thank you very much, guys. Enjoy. Please, guys, don't forget to come and get the books. Actually, I just leave the link on the first comment of the video. If you can't find it, go back to the other video, you're gonna find it. Thank you very much. Make a screenshot of this and make sure that when you play, you know exactly what you're doing. Thank you very much, guys. Boom. When if I maybe